In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a job on Facebook Marketplace. Before we begin, here's the key thing to know. Facebook no longer lets you post jobs directly in Marketplace. That option has been moved, so I'll walk you through where to publish your job so it actually reaches the right people and shows up the way Facebook intends. The most reliable place to post a job is on your Facebook page. Head to your business page and start a new post by selecting Create Post. Look for the job or hiring option. Depending on your layout, it may be tucked under the More menu. Once you open it, you'll see fields designed specifically for hiring. Fill in the essentials clearly and completely. The position title, employment type, location, pay range, and a concise description of what the role involves. Add the key requirements like experience level, certifications, or tools needed. Include schedule details whether it's full-time, part-time, shift-based on-site, hybrid, or remote. Finally, specify how you want candidates to apply, such as messaging the page or using your preferred application link. A clean logo or a simple, relevant image can also help your post stand out. Take a moment to proofread. Clarity and transparency reduce back and forth and attract better candidates. If you have access in your region, you can also use Facebook's Jobs area. Type jobs into the Facebook search bar or open the menu and look for jobs. Availability can vary, but when it's present, it centralizes listings and guides you through job-specific fields similar to the page flow. Keep your details consistent with what you'd post on your page so applicants see the same role title, pay, and requirements wherever they find you. A common workaround is to share your job in Facebook groups focused on hiring, especially local or industry-specific communities. Find relevant groups and create a clear, straightforward post. Use a simple structure so it's easy to scan. Start with the position, then salary or pay range, followed by the location, the core requirements, and the best contact or application method. Be sure to follow each group's posting rules and keep the information transparent, details like schedule, on-site versus remote, and any must-have skills help candidates self-qualify quickly. To recap, while Marketplace doesn't support job postings, you can get excellent visibility by using your Facebook page's job or hiring option, the Jobs tab if it's available to you, and well-chosen groups as a supplement. Keep your information complete, consistent, and easy to read, and you'll be set up for stronger applications.